All right. What's up, everybody? I'm gonna send the link right now. We are live. What's up? What's up, everybody? Chilling. All right, let's do this. Let me send you guys the link. Switch account. Here we go. And make sure I can get you guys this link real quick. Alrighty. We are ready for the day. Let's get it going, fellas. Let's get it going. Good morning. Just sent it in the chat right now. Good morning, guys. What's up? What up? All right, here we go. I'm gonna start my charting. The stocks are moving right now. Pre-market low. Pre-market high. Or be top. Or be low. Okay, so some key levels is this is pre-market high right there. Some key levels is okay, we do have a bounce point at the ORB. So if it could hit the downside, what's up, everybody? Let me know who's on watching. Right now I'm charting. If you guys could see right now, I'm just marking out my pre's and highs. I'm also looking at, I'm just pulling back a little bit to see, some other bounce points. So I have a green bounce point over there. I do have a, okay. Yep. Okay, that's another one. So we are getting back into the zone right here. So let's also take a look at some SPY. Let's go into Robinhood as well. Let's see what we're doing today. Tesla. Okay. SPY is up 0.68. Okay. Let's go to SPY and let's mark our SPY. Okay, that's a bounce point right there. Let's go pre-market high, pre-market low, and then we're gonna do our, let's go. What's up, fellas? First 15-minute candle. It's just looking like this is the ORB. Check. Okay, cool. Let me turn that up. Hey, yeah, there we go. All right, cool. Yes, sir. What it do? Velo, what's up? All right. Good morning, guys. Great to have you guys on. All right. So, kind of give you guys a little rundown. What I do when I mark my charts is I mark the pre-market highs. So that's from 1 a.m. to 6:15 or 6:30 basically. And then we wait for the first 15 minutes. So there may be sometimes in the stream where I'm kind of doing nothing, but this is where we're marking out our highs and lows. The first 15 minutes we do not trade, just for precautionary measures. So SPY's already taken a dip. So let's go down to the, and we do that. We mark everything in the 15-minute. Let's go down to the 5 now. Everything looks kind of flat. So we wait for a breakout. Let's go ahead and choose our options chain. So first let's go to Tesla. So I'm opening my app here. What is QQQ doing? Okay, so Tesla 380. Let's go. Let's go trade options. April 24th. They still don't. It's a 2-day. If we go puts. Oh my gosh, these are so expensive. I don't know if we could trade Tesla today, guys, unless you want to, but it's a little too expensive. We'll do a 395 call if you have enough capital for that. For the put, we'll do a 380 put. I'm gonna put that in the chat. If you guys have enough capital, if you're sim trading, then it'll work out perfectly for you. Tesla, I'm putting this in the chat. 380 put or $395 call. Oops, I misspelled call, but just know, guys, that is a call right there. Okay, if we look at SPY, if we're doing SPY, let's see. Where's SPY at? Oh, SPY still got some room to grow. Here's a bounce. Here's a bounce point. Oh, that's a pre-market. That's our ORB. Let's do another one, because there was a bounce point here. Okay, so yeah, SPY we're gonna have to wait for a little bit, but let's do. Man, it's hard to even call out calls for SPY because we're already. Oh my gosh, we're already so high. For SPY, we could do 710 call. Have this ready for today. We'll do 710 call. For the put, we'll do 707 put. Actually, yeah, 707's good. Yeah, 707's good. If we do SPY might be good for some of you guys because SPY is going to require less capital. So I'm going to check ASML. I may do, I have been acquiring a lot more money in my Roth, so I may do some ASML trades for myself. Let me just mark my charts real quick. Ooh, and we're high. We're very high right now. This is going to be the ORB. Pre-market lows. Here's a bounce point from yesterday. Here's another bounce point. And if you guys notice, I'm just really marking out the bounce points of everything. Okay. All right. We'll keep an eye on ASML. For ASML, I would go down to 1400 if I was to do a put. So 1425. We'll do 1420. Actually, let's do 1440. Turn that delta up a little bit. We are seeing a good bounce. All right. So right now, we marked out all of our charts. Now we're just waiting. We're just watching. What's QQQ doing? We could mark out QQQ right now. Let's do that. Just mark out our first 15-minute candle. ORB. Pre-market high. Pre-market low. Excuse me. Okay. All right. So we'll just keep our eyes on these stocks right now. Everything is pretty much green right now. It's been a while since I've seen that. So we shall see. We shall see. Let's go to our 4-hour chart. That first candle's red, so that may give us the direction here. And yeah, who on the YouTube right now? Let me know, guys. Who on the YouTube is trading with real capital right now, and who's trading on sim account? Let me know. Let me know who's doing that. Because I do want to trade Tesla, but I just want to be cautious of where you guys are at as well. So. Okay, Tesla's seen a break up. Let's go over here. Tesla's seen a really good break up. We're about to hit our first 15-minute candle. Okay, we got our first rejection. It rejected that bounce point, which was the pre-market high. Let's see if it pushes past that. We just pushed past the pre-market high, and it rejected right away. The pre-market high is at 390.79. Actually, what am I even looking at on Robinhood? That's a different. Oh, there we. Oh, okay. No, it's not. It's not. Okay, we had a strong bounce. Let's see. Let's see if we keep pushing past. If we see that momentum keep kicking up. Who knows, fellas? Who knows? All right, we passed the pre-market high. Let's see if we can hold. As you guys know, I do wait for the pullbacks, so we're gonna wait. And you know what? Let's see what Tesla's. Okay, so I got a couple of you guys doing real. I got, okay, 2 of you guys doing real and the others doing sim. Perfect. I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be able to take like one contract of a Tesla contract. So, which is fine. We'll make it work. Tesla's doing great so far. What's SPY doing? Nothing. It's chopping right now. Okay. What is this 1 minute chart doing? Boom, 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 boom. Bam. Okay, let's go back to 15 on here. The VWAP is flattening out on there. Where are we at with the volume profile? Let me see. All right, still got a lot of buyers. So we shall see what's going to take place. gonna see if it bounces off of these EMA. We're gonna see what it does here. We're watching on Robinhood now. We're watching on both, but let's go over here to our options account now. Technically, we have not broken our ORB. Yeah, technically our ORB is up here. So it created a super, super high ORB. Technically, we could probably even put our ORB right here too. No. Let's just, that was the first wick. Let's keep it down there. If it bounces this VWAP, if it bounces off the VWAP right here at 389, we may have an entry point to go back up. So we'll just keep that in mind. Let's watch the VWAP. What is SPY doing? Okay, SPY is coming up on the first 15-minute candle. So if it passes, it looks like we just passed the bounce point as well. It does look like we are in an uptrend. Okay, so essentially, let's see if we can hit that. So it goes 1, 1, 2, 3. Maybe if we hit a fourth one, bam, 5. Okay, so let's go back to Tesla. See what Tesla's doing. All right, Tesla is coming down to the VWAP. See if we can get a nice bounce off that VWAP. Again, that was at 389. And we're not getting a bounce off the VWAP. All right, we just passed the VWAP. We're watching right now. Tesla 380 put is at 680, which is not bad. All right, we're watching, guys. We're watching 875 for a Tesla call. What's SPY doing? SPY's actually breaking down now. Okay, I think that's our first 15-minute candle right there. All right, looks like we're gonna break. It looks like we're gonna break on SPY. To the downside. To the downside, fellas. Yeah, we're about to break the ORB on the downside right here. That light blue one. So that's our first candle right there. 6 to 615. Or 630. Ooh, I almost marked the wrong one, guys. Look at that's our candle right there. We're Coming up on it right now. So let's watch SPY. SPY's got some seller momentum. However, it's not pushing past it. Man, Tesla's a little too volatile. Look at those candle wicks. Those are super long. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to even trade Tesla right now. We're coming back on the ORB for Tesla. Let's see what happens. Heavy rejections. It looks like it wants to push out though. We shall see. Which it did. It just broke the ORB. I had a feeling it was going to come down to that VWAP. So what I'm going to do, I can't even trade a Tesla call. Yeah, I can't even trade a Tesla call. I don't even think I have enough money on my options account. I'm going to put a bid in at 9:35. No. I don't want to get freaking liquidated, man. All right, let's do 9:45. That's really all I got in my options account. 9:45 is all I got in my options account. So if we get it, we get it. If not, it's all good. Price is too high. Yes. Yeah, price is crazy right now. Maybe I'll take some in my Roth. We'll see. Jeez, yeah, that price is crazy, man. People are getting liquidated right there, that's for sure. All right. In my Roth, I did 2 at 9.75. Let's see if I get filled. I still have my options open for, I think it's, yeah, 9.75 as well. I have 1. So let's see if we get filled on that. Oh, wait, no, I have it at 9.45. Oops. I put it at 9.65, guys. See if we get filled on that. $9.75. That's all I got. That's all I got, guys. That's all I got. Okay, we're actually slowing down, so actually might not be a good idea. I forgot to sell that. I just made a rookie mistake, man. That's gonna eat me alive. Do I get out? Do I hold? Do I hold? Let's see. All right, I'm out of my Roth just because I'm actually not seeing the momentum I like. But I'm still holding here in my options account. This one I'm gonna go tight with my stop loss. My stop loss I'm gonna put it at 5%, and we're gonna be done because I think I made a mistake. I had it set to the wrong price. Who knows? We may get a bump up. Let's see what happens. We just pray right now that it holds off that 18-minute ORB. I forgot that I put an order limit for my options account. All right, let's let that play out. Let's go to SPY. SPY's chopping right now. SPY's not doing nothing. All right, so I'm still in this Tesla trade. Right now we're up 1%. We're only up 10 bucks. It's fine. The good thing is it did bounce off that ORB. So that is a good sign for us. And we're still, the RSI, we're still selling pretty high right now. So in Jesus' name, we keep it above. If not, we'll just take the L on our options account. And we'll just move over to SPY. We'll trade with you guys. Remember, like I said, for this one, I did make a mistake. I did make a mistake, and I think it's going to eat me. I think it's going to eat me alive on this one. Hopefully you guys didn't make that mistake with me. That's why I'm putting my stop loss so tight right now at 5%, because I did realize that I did make that mistake. So I just needed to hold. If it holds, then I'm gonna hold. But if it doesn't and it hits my stop loss at 5%, then I'm done. But right now it is holding at that ORB. I'm only down 1%. All right, let's take a look at SPY real quick. Here we go, SPY. Okay, we got a break on SPY, guys. Let's take a look at this SPY. If we get a bounce back, if we get a pull back, we might be good. But SPY is doing very well. Let's watch for that. I do feel good on SPY, so let's see. That's SPY call. It's at 127 right now. Yeah, I'm gonna put an order in on my Roth. Let's do 130. Put some in at 130. So I just put some in at 130 right now, guys. Don't do too much, because we could always buy more as it dips. So I just bought a couple more at 120 or 122 at least, or it hasn't filled yet, but all right. And Tesla is going to be hitting my stop loss at 5% shortly. Looks like Tesla's taking a dip down. Okay, so I am in some SPY calls. Right now my average cost is 130. The current price is 126. I'm down 3%. Alright, so we're in the trades right now. Tesla, I'm not too happy with Tesla, bro. I might pull out. Yeah, I'm getting close to pulling out with Tesla. Keep you guys posted. I'm gonna buy a few more calls on SPY. So I could bring that average cost down. So right now my average cost is 120 because I bought a couple more. This is why you don't buy a bunch of contracts right at the price that you get in at, because you could always average cost your way down if you need to. So right now we're in some SPY calls. We're still holding our Tesla call because it hasn't hit our stop loss yet. A stop loss of 5%. We're only at 3% right now. SPY, I'll use my stop loss at 10%, or anywhere from 10 to 15%. I'll keep that normal. Oh my gosh, SPY, what is going on? If it hits your stop loss, guys, pull it out. It hasn't hit mine yet. I'm average costing down. All right, it's probably gonna hit my stop loss on SPY, guys. So I'm probably gonna be out. Tesla as well. Tesla, I'm gonna pull out right now. Man, that sucks. Well, actually, it's at 6%. We'll be okay. We'll let that one ride to 8%. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still in SPY. It hasn't hit my stop loss fully. I'm still in SPY and I'm still in Tesla. Hey Tesla, we are finally up, or we're actually we're breaking even right now. And Tesla, low key, I kind of want to get out of this, man. That's just sketchy. Yes, yeah. SPY did rebound, so we're doing good so far. So being that I average costed down, my average cost is 115. It's currently at 117. Okay, and we're basically just watching it. We're watching it now. What is Tesla doing? Excuse me. Okay, the SPY can't really get above 0.80%. I don't really like that. We keep getting pushed back right here. There's a lot of sellers today. I don't know. I might hop out of that SPY. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Tesla's now just chopping here. Although I do feel like Tesla wants to keep pushing up, so we shall see. Right now with SPY, I am up $300. Let's pray it stays that way. Tesla got my heart rate spiked right now. Tesla is sketching me out. SPY is slowly inching up, although I don't know, it's just getting a lot of heavy pushback from sellers at this point. Like it's basically hitting a brick wall at 709.87. In the 709 range, it's just hitting a brick wall. So if we could finally push past that 709.80 mark and just keep going up, it may be good. Which it did. Let's see if it can hold it. It's not holding it. So I may take some profits. Oh man, that one hurt. Let's see, maybe it's just a little slight pullback. We're getting heavy seller momentum, bro. See all those candles right there. I need Tesla to go back up. Tesla's playing with my emotions today, bro. I think just for my sanity, I might just pull out of that one. I'm up 10% on my SPY calls. Let's see what happens. I'm going to kind of hold and let the runners run for a little bit. We're going to see what happens. So I told you guys we're rejecting heavy at that 780-ish mark. And the sellers are kind of stepping in at that mark, which is not really a good thing. Oh, I didn't even realize Tesla is tanking. Okay, I'm gonna pull out of Tesla. Well, it's only down 5%. Let's stay true to our stop loss then, if it's not moving that crazy. I only have one contract, that's okay. All right, we're getting another draw up with SPY here. In Jesus' name, we could push past that. Those sellers are being brutal today. We have a lot of seller momentum right now. Okay, we're coming back up to that 790-ish, 709.80. And we are getting rejected again. Once it tickles that, we are getting rejected. If you guys can see where my mark is, every time it comes up to that mark, it keeps getting rejected. So we're just watching right now. Where's Tesla at? Tesla, I think I'm gonna. Man, it's so hard. It's so hard to make a call on Tesla right now. Alrighty, SPY is off to the races, fellas. SPY is off to the races. Let's get it. Let's get it, fellas. We are moving now. We're moving. We are moving. Let's go, SPY. Woohoo! These gains are going to be crazy, y'all. All right, you know what? Should I keep letting it ride in the SPY? Yes. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Where's Tesla? Tesla, I might just get out of Tesla. Yeah, I'm going to get out of Tesla. I'm tired of Tesla right now. Okay, I got out of my Tesla. It is what it is. Took a little, almost $10 gain on that. That's fine. We're staying in SPY right now. Okay, I'm gonna sell SPY here. All right, I'm out of SPY. It's all good. I'm happy. I'm very happy with my gains on that. That was a $1,300 trade, guys. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. That's why I pulled out, because that's how much I was up. So, yeah, exactly. No greed. I'm going to take that. It'll probably bounce back up, but as soon as I seen the seller step in, take the profit. I'm good. I'm out for the day. So, our options, our small account is not doing as good as I wanted it to. That was because that was a honestly kind of dumb trade on my part, but I walked away with $10. It is what it is. So kind of recap from that. I think I'm going to stay away from multiple day expiration. So we're just going to stick to 0 DTE. So I think what we'll work with, guys, is if it's not 0 DTE, we just won't even trade it. So because, yeah, those Tesla contracts are too high, and I felt like I was kind of forcing it with Tesla. It's all good. We live and learn. That was a not, I wouldn't say a first for me, but I was testing it. All good. If you guys are in the sim accounts though, so let me see. What time is it? 7:15. All right, I'm gonna message in the chat. All right, guys, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's go to the Sims. Let's go to the Sims and let's have some fun. So, let me open up Think or Swim. We'll have some fun on our Sim accounts. Robert, how you doing, bro? Are you still in or did you pull out? I'm hoping you got out with us because it's starting to fall down. remember, exit when we exit. All right, here we go. Let's go to Think or Swim. Let's have some fun. I'm just messing around right now because I'm gonna show you guys how to paper trade. So we're over here in Paper Money. So I'm gonna take some ridiculous trades. Let's have some fun with this. With Tesla, let's just be crazy and let's just do a 390 put on the Sim account. On the Sim account, I'm gonna get out of Robinhood. Okay, so let's do Tesla. I'm gonna show you guys again. I am just going kind of off the deep end, just having fun with this because I'm done with my trades. So let's do a put option for, what do we say we want to do? Let's do like around 387, 385. 387.5 put. We're gonna buy, let's do 50 of them. We're gonna buy, boom, puts, boom, boom. Right now ask is 880, bid is 875. We're gonna bid on it. We're gonna review Paper Money, so it's gonna cost us 43,000. Or the cost, yeah, 40, yep. All right, let's see if we get filled. And we just got filled. Okay. Again, I am just messing around at this point. I hope you guys are watching because I'm showing you guys how to paper trade in Think or Swim. Okay, so I just bought, how many did I buy? Let me see. I think it was 50. Yeah, I bought 50 put options for Tesla. Again, I'm not really, I wouldn't really call this out normally. This is for sure a risky trade, but we're having some fun since we're paper trading. So if you're on your live account, please do not follow what I'm doing right now. I am just showing the guys we're having some fun. So let's go to SPY. SPY is still going up. Probably could have held that. I am totally okay though. 100% with taking my profit on that one. Robert, oh man. I don't even want to tell you to jump in right now. That would be at your own discretion, man. I mean, do I think it could keep going? If you look at my trend line, it might hit my trend line almost perfectly at 710, but you're pushing it at that point. I think you're already pushing it now, to be honest. Man. So let's go SPY. Let's do some on this is again going back from my simulation, guys. Let's go to SPY. SPY and then options trade. We are going to buy 10 calls for, let's do 7-Eleven. That's fine. 7-Eleven. And the bid and the ask. We're gonna go at ask price, and this should fill us right away. Send. Did it fill us? Let's see. Again, this is not for my live trading, guys. This is for my simulation guys right now. Where? Oh, and see, look at that. We did it at asking price, and it still didn't even. It's because I think it's still going up. Let's edit it. What is it at now? Yeah, we bought it at asking price. All right, we just got filled. We just got filled. I don't even know what we got filled at. This is why I do kind of not really like Schwab that much. That's why this is why I use this is, you're down 8%. Explain that to me a little bit, 47. What how come you're down on SPY? Because SPY we had a big rally towards the upside. Look at that. Look at that Tesla put that I put in here, guys. We're already $1,000 up. I kind of had a feeling that Tesla would drop, which we are seeing a huge wick down. So since I had 40 contracts, I believe the percentage, what are we at percentage wise? Oh, it's only 1%. It's not too bad. It's just 1,000 because we have so many contracts. Which at that point, when you have that much money, when you could blow $40,000 like that, you technically, all you need is small, like, scalping trades. Like, look at that. You do a small scalp at 1%, that's a 1% gain. You're already at $1,250, and you're done. Like, you could literally make $1,000 a day easy once you get to like 20, anywhere 20,000 and above. But at that point, you're kind of blowing through a lot of money. Our SPY that we opened up for the sim guys, we're down 135. Totally cool. Why does it say we're up 87%? I have no idea. We're just having fun, guys. 47. Are you what about you, Robert? What did you what are you kind of running into right now? And then Isaiah, I'm not sure if you're on here. Let me know if you're on YouTube watching, or shoot me a text in the Discord. Let me know if you're on here, because this is Thinkorswim. This is Charles Schwab. Right now we're trading paper money. And you know what? Let me show you guys what it looks like when you close out a position. So we're gonna go here. How do we close this out? I think I have to go back here. Oh, it's right here. Close selected when you're ready to close it. So unfortunately, we are closing this one with a little bit of loss. Well, I'm not gonna close it. Let's just leave it open. Let me close the SPY one. I'll show you what the SPY one. So I click on it. If you're ready to sell, let's just say you're like, man, I hit my take profit on here, or my stop loss. I'm gonna close. You make sure you sell, because if you bought, now you want to sell. Okay. And right now we're gonna sell it at asking price, or we're gonna sell it. We'll sell it at bid price, so that way it gets filled right away. Okay. SPY is complete. We just got filled. You see how quick that is, guys? So when we're moving, and then I just got the notification on my phone too. Bam. They just let me know. So that's the cool thing about Thinkorswim. Again, it is a little laggy sometimes, but you know, that is the very cool thing about Thinkorswim. Tesla is disgusting, bro. Tesla is very disgusting. So what are we at? 7:30 right now. We're moving, guys. I cannot wait to post. You know what? I'm gonna do that right now. If you guys have any questions, I still got about maybe 15 minutes. This will be a perfect time to ask some questions. I will if you ask me to, but I don't want to be kind of like, I don't want to force a trade for you guys, you know? Like, if you're like, hey, what are we looking at for the live accounts? 47, I will say, since I think this is maybe like the second day in a row. When you enter right now, just to start, since you're starting, do not enter with multiple contracts. So on that SPY, even though I bought 10 contracts, for you, maybe you're going to buy 2 contracts to start. Because what I did, which helped me so much, I average costed down. So I bought 10 at the original price, then it dropped below and it went towards my stop loss. I bought some more. So that way, instead of it staying, I think we entered at, I don't even know what we entered at. I forgot. I'd have to go back and watch the stream. Let me see. The SPY call. I think we entered like around what, 140? We entered at 140 and then it dropped down to like $1. Okay. Normally that would have hit my stop loss. However, when you buy small portions and you average cost down, my average cost went from 140, and because I bought a lot more at $1, it brought my average cost down to like 120. So instead of my stop loss being hit, it actually shoved me back down a little bit because I bought more at a lower price. That's why I tell people don't go right off the rip, don't buy 30 contracts, don't buy 20 contracts. Buy small, start small, and then you could always add from there. Now, if you're 100% confirmed, we're blasting up and we're in such a momentum like we were last week to where we're just buying and it's just going. Yes, then you could start with a big portion because you're like, I'm going to make as much money. However, I feel like you can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money by average costing down when it goes down, because it's inevitable that you buy and then sometimes it pushes down. So same thing if you buy down and it pushes high. So that's why we just want to capital preservation, my guy, capital preservation. So who knows too? For me, I don't want you to be losing your capital right now. So maybe for a little season you're sim trading. Maybe for a little season you're sim trading just to kind of get the hang of everything, and then you jump into it. But again, I just want you to be safe, man. I don't want you to lose money like I lost money, because I am seeing a lot of the same mistakes that I made, which unfortunately, to be where I'm at today, you kind of do have to go through that struggle. So I mean, on the flip side, maybe it is good that you're kind of going through that. But it just I know how you feel. It sucks losing money, bro. Even today, I barely gained $10. That's a sucky trade for me. So I've been on the back end. Even I probably should have held that Tesla contract, because now it's at selling for $10. Yeah, Tesla's seen a huge jump up. It's okay, man. It is totally okay. It's all good. When I got in SPY, it started going down, hit my stop loss. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. All right. Yeah, because I mean, let's go. Man, that trade. Oh my goodness gracious. Tesla reports earnings after. I think that was my biggest trade ever. No, I think I've had bigger trades. What was this? What was the oh yeah, no, I've had bigger trades. I think cash flow wise, that was a big one. Oh shoot, I totally forgot we're on Thinkorswim over here, guys. So our random Tesla put that we decided to open is down $1,000. You know what? 47 too. It could have been a timing thing. I won't lie. Even for myself, probably jumped in a little early. However, I do want to Oh, you bought 3. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at SPY, bro. Wow, look at that drawdown. Hopefully you ain't in some SPY calls unless you buy here. But I'm gonna draw out right here what we took today. We're gonna go, I think we did a long position. I think that's where we exited, yeah. So that, what we took today was a risk to reward of 2 to 1. I think we got in here. And then, yeah, we exited like right there because it hit that wick and it started bouncing down. Yeah, so that's our trade right there. So that's not bad. It's okay. It's okay. Do you guys have any questions? I'm still live. I probably got about 7 more minutes. Yeah, so feel free to ask some questions. Go back to Thinkorswim. Look at that. Tesla, now we up. Okay, now we're breaking even. Where's Tesla at? Where's Tesla? Here we go. Tesla had a strong wick down. I'm gonna show you guys once. Let's get either $500 or $1,000 on this P&L, and then or you know what? Let's just close it there. Let's close it there. Boom. Okay, close. I'm gonna do it quick. I'm gonna sell at asking price or bid price 870. Cool, awesome. Send it. See if it accepts. And they accepted. Okay, we just got filled. Okay, so with that being said, that's kind of how it goes with Schwab. With Robinhood, let me show you guys on my phone. Can you guys see that? So on Robinhood, this is literally how easy it is for Robinhood. So I have an ASML put. I click on that. I go to trade. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, trade, and then buy, and then I just type in whatever I want, and then I could hit boom, send, and it'll send. So that's why I like to trade on my phone, because it's literally like right in front of me. And then I use my charts and I go from there. So send me some of your guys's Tyler, how'd you do? Did you pull out of the trade with me? Robert, how are you doing? Did you enter any trades, or are you kind of holding off? You might be able to catch SPY on the swing down, because it is swinging down. It's either swing, it may bounce. Watch the VWAP. The VWAP is at 709.27. So it may have a nice bounce off the VWAP, or if it passes, you might see a swing down. And actually, it just bounced off the. It just bounced off of the. It's bouncing off of the ORB. So that's. Oh no! That's a pre-market high. That's a pre-market high. I'm sorry. This blue mark, actually it did bounce off the ORB. It came all the way down to the, yeah, so it just bounced. The SPY just bounced off of the opening 15-minute candle. Holding off, bro. Smart, Rob. Remember, take it slow, take it smart. It is all good. And I think I wanted to try a risky trade. I am not advising for you guys to do this, but I did want to take somewhat of a little bit of a risk. QQQ is at an all-time high, I believe. Let's go 1 year. Yes, it's at an all-time high. I'm not saying it's gonna crash. However, I think I want to buy some long puts. 4/27 expiration dates. That is next Monday. No. Let's do... I'm gonna do... Let's do May 1st. We're gonna do a put option. Yeah, I kind of want to do a QQQ put option. I'm just gonna put it on my watch list. If it bites, it bites. If not, it is what it is. What is ASML doing today? Nah. I can't be trading. Don't let me trade, guys. Don't let me trade. I took the win. Let's. That's funny. Don't let me get back in, guys. Don't let me get back in. I won't. I'm stopping myself. This is where your discipline and your consistency needs to lock in. Okay, so I'm not trading anymore. I'm gonna put our gains in the chat. Today's gains. Yeah. So 47, look at the screenshot I just sent. If you noticed, it brought my average cost all the way down to 115, and that's why I was able to sell it at 150 for so much money. So for me, I did it in increments of 10. So for you, it would have been different. So you told me you bought 3. So if you bought 3, I would have started with 1. Buy with 1, average cost down. So 1, so I did so I bought 4 separate times. I bought 10. On the way down, I bought another 10. On the way, I bought another 10. I bought another 10. So if you would have did that, you would have been in the same position I did. If you would have bought 1, then you would have bought another 1, then you would have bought another 1. You would have been in the same spot that I am. So that's the power of average costing down. Because even I think what did we buy it at? 130, 140. That wouldn't have been that big of profit. But being that I average costed down, that profit is nice right there. So, I mean, technically I can't even use those funds because it's all in my Roth, but it's all good, man. I'm growing both accounts because, let's go, Tyler. $500 day. Shoo! How much capital did you put for that 500? I'm looking at your chart right now. You bought. Great trade. How? Yeah. Okay. Oh, you know, that's a great idea. Let's do this. The trade that I want to take is a good idea, Tyler. Good idea. Let's just practice and have some fun. The trade that I want to take is ASML 1440 put. So if you want to go on your sim account and trade this with me, I am going to go to options trade. I want a 1440 put. Asking price is 1660. I'm gonna go middle. I'm gonna go 1620. We'll do 1625. We're gonna do, if I was to do this, I would buy one. Let's see if we get filled. ASML is a lot slower, and people are a lot more greedy on this one. People don't like selling at bid price. They're stingy. They're like, or at bid price. They give it to me at asking price. Unless it drops, that's when they're like, oh, nah, now I want it at asking price. So it's like, oh my gosh, here we go. That one is yes, 424, 2 DTE. Yes, 424, April 24th, 1440 put. And this is what I'm looking to trade right now. We're just gonna do it on the sim account. And it still hasn't even, it's sitting at 1625. Oh no, it went up to 1645. So let's see. Yeah, because it's starting to drop now. I figured it was gonna drop. It's okay. Edit. Let's go to edit. Let's just do it at 17. It's all good. All right, we got filled. Cool. We're starting down. Totally cool. Totally okay. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. I have a feeling it's gonna tank. It's already in a downtrend. That 4-hour candle is telling me that it's low already. So. All right, so now we're just watching. We're just waiting on our charts. Yeah, ASML gaps like crazy, bro. So we're down $50 right now. Just keep looking at ASML. I do think it'll come back up to the VWAP. I don't think it will pass. But we shall see. But all right, guys. Well, I am going to hop off the live. I'm gonna hop off the live, and I will keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep this one open. We're gonna let this run for an hour or so. I'll keep this open, and then at the end of the day, I'll let you guys know where I'm at with that, or whenever I sell it. But I would say my stop loss, it doesn't really give you percentage on here. Yeah, it doesn't give you the percentage. Oh, there it is. My stop loss is anywhere from 10 to 15%. So if this goes to negative 10%, sell it. My take profit is anywhere from 10 to 20%. So if it goes positive 10 to 20%, sell it. So we'll go from there. But I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll do another live maybe tomorrow night. going over a lot of this stuff. But looking forward to continuing to trade with you guys. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys have a blessed day. All right, y'all. Talk soon. Peace out. Check this YouTube real quick. 7-11 calls. Follow us up with that